Welcome back to the office. Today we have wood accent keycap packs because they were only $3.49. It was actually ended up being cheaper than this. And I'm gonna put these babies onto my keyboard because I think it would be kind of cool. I like darker wood colors. This is my signature dark colored table that I've had for several years now. But I've been going for like a lighter theme on things. So I've got like my blue and pink keyboard, like a white mouse, a blue chair. And these are like a lighter wood color. It comes with the arrow keys and the space bar. So let's put it on. I gotta pull off. I got it off. The tape was really on there. And this seems like I'm an idiot, right? But I'm doing this all with one hand. Let me add it. Okay, I need to... Oh my god. Come on, ow! Oh, pieces are flying everywhere, oh my god. These actually feel way higher quality than I thought they would feel. And it comes with this weird Mickey Mouse looking emoji keycap remover. Which I have a keycap remover, but I guess I have an extra one. Okay, let's well, this keycap remover's annoying to use. Got one arrow key. Ooh! What is that in there? That's kind of gross in there. I'm gonna clean that out. I think that's a little bit of fluff. And the space bar, which I'm gonna just remove one side, and then I should be able to just pull out the other. Oh my god, it is full of cat hair and crumbs from the cats. I leave my office open because the cats meow, and if you can see, they walk all over my stuff every night and leave crumbs everywhere, and they crumbed up my keyboard, which I also probably crumbed it up, but it's just full of cat hair. It's so gross. I got this. Big reveal. Oh, it actually looks pretty good. I like that. I like that. I like that. It's very nice. So now these pink ones, I guess, can go somewhere else. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.